Last week I didn't have any video for you guys. Last week I didn't have any video of any kwani kizungu is not kizunguing. Kizungu itaki kutoka bana. Wacha nikunje. Nataka nikubebe. Nataka nikubebe. Also, are you guys loving my earrings? Oh my goodness. Excuse me, Mr.
Bonje hizo carrots.
Ziko poa?
Nasikuweka mafuta wala nini.
I know why not. He's probably just kicking back and catching some rays.
Said hi to you guys. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is on a Sunday and I think it's around for something towards 5 p.m. So right now I want to fold my clean laundry, that is ours and the baby, and then organize the closet and just try to tidy up the bedroom, that is just wipe around and mop the floor. Also, I'm planning to change the bed sheets because it's been like a while since I changed them. Yeah, so I'm trying not to talk like loudly, not to wake the baby up. Yeah, so I think that's all it. Today I'm not planning to make supper because we've had like a heavy lunch. Do I call it lunch or brunch or something like that? So for supper I'm planning maybe I make tea and fry an egg for everyone with some bread. Yeah, and then like tomorrow morning I can make like proper meal. Yeah, last week I didn't have any video for you guys. Last week I didn't have any video of any Kwani kizungu is not kizunguing. Kizungu itaki kutoka bana. Anyway, I didn't feel like it was right for me to shoot last week. Also, I was not feeling okay. I was really down, and there is like a lot happening in our country, that is Kenya. So let's get into it, guys. Also, are you guys loving my earrings? Oh my goodness. Okay, a friend of mine got it for me, and I love them. And also, are you feeling my hair? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna insert some pics over here that I've taken today. Can't wait for it like to be super grown, and then I can go back to there's this style that I love of having like a mosundu. Do you know what is mosundu? Mosundu. Yeah, mosundu. Whereby you like unashika nywele yote and then unaifungia hapa juu. Naipenda sana. Yeah, so let's get into the video, guys. I don't want to ramble too much. Acha nivae hiyo socks. Acha nivae. Nivae basi. Asante. Hiyo ni sweta yangu hiyo. Achana nayo. Sasa unataka nini? Ai, unavuta alafu angushe chini. Tutakosana. Acha kuvuta nguo alafu unatupa chini. Enda ulale pale. Unataka kulala hapo? Nikutoke? Nitoke? Wacha nikunje. Leta nikunje. Utaki? Wewe. Ai. Nitakusema. Aya, panda ulale basi. Endo ulale kwa ndani. Sasa hii trouser nayo. Kwani nataka nikunje? Tena nikuwekee chakula. Sasa unataka nifanye nini? Unataka nikubebe? Twende nikupeleke nini? Twende basi. Twende ukapande pikipiki. Ni unataka nini? Nikubebe? Unataka nikubebe? Basi si ushuke wewe ulale huko. Ndio ulale kwa kiti. Ndio ulale kwa kiti nikunje hizi. Ndio twende tupande tubebe na pikipiki. Ni hug. Hug mama. Twende tuweke chakula. Nikuomie chakula. Sasa tupite nini? Wewe unajua unatupatia nguo zangu huko chini. Kwani unatupatia nguo zangu huko chini? Hai, nimechoka. Hebu kelea hii kitu kule. Kuchukulia chakula. Na kuchukulia chakula nawe. Ukeke kitu nyingine, utaanguka hapo. Kaa vizuri usianguke.
This is the hospital. Pepper and her friends have come to visit Pedro Pony.
Remember, children, stay close to me. I don't want you getting lost. Excuse me, Mr. Bull. Which way is the chair?
Mimi natoka kabisa, nimerudisha na mkono.
Imeanguka chini.
Si eti imeanguka chini. Wewe cheka tu na nakwambia. Usiki maji mengine. Usiki maji mengine basi. Usijioshe na maji. Sasa unimwagia maji. Sasa kuna dudu. Usitoe hiyo kushoni mama. Ukitoa hiyo tutakosana. I'll give you guys like a proper video of how the sitting room looks. I just want to mention for the nuance here, like how the place looked before. So this couch was right there, and that couch was there, and the dining table was here. So we tried to move everything around to see like what we could come up with, and this is what we came up with. Yeah, so let me give you guys like a proper video showing you how the place looks. I think it's about time I get some wall art and frame our photos and put them on the wall, cause kuna vile tu hizi walls zinakaa tu naked, yani just look at that. I think I'll get wall art and put it there, and then I'm thinking on this side and on the other side I'll get maybe our family pictures and put them there. Also, I'm planning to get a mirror and put it there, like a huge mirror, and put it over there.